For manufacturers and engineers focused on brake system reliability, the right additives make all the difference. And at Bull Chemicals, our copper powder is a game changer for brake pad formulations. Let's dive into the core performance improvements it delivers to brake pads. First, enhances thermal conductivity to prevent overheating. Brake pads generate intense heat during braking. Temperatures can reach 500 degrees Celsius to 800 degrees Celsius under heavy use. Copper powder, with a thermal conductivity of 401 W, efficiently transfers this heat away from the friction surface. By adding 3% to 8% copper powder to brake pads mixture, we reduce heat buildup by up to 25%, preventing brake fade and extending the overall lifespan of brake pads by 15% to 20%. Second, stabilizes friction coefficient for consistent braking. A stable friction coefficient is vital for reliable break-ins, can lead to unpredictable stopping distances. Copper powder acts as a friction modifier in brake pads, friction materials. Its soft metallic properties fill micro gaps on the brake disc surface, ensuring uniform contact. Tests show that brake pads mixes containing copper powder maintain a friction coefficient of 0.35 to 0.45 even across temperature changes from minus 30 degrees Celsius to 600 degrees Celsius, while mixes without copper powder see a 10% to 15% coefficient drop at extreme temperatures. Third, reduces wear and lowers dust generation. Wear resistance and low dust are key user demands. In our brake pads formula, copper powder forms a protective transfer film on the brake disc during use, reducing direct abrasion between the pad and disc. This cuts brake pad wear rate by 20% to 30% and lowers brake dust emission by around 18%. Additionally, copper's ductility minimizes noise-causing vibrations. Brake pads with copper powder produce 10 decibels to 15 decibels less noise during braking than copper-free alternatives. Bull Chemicals copper powder is engineered to meet strict brake system standards, ensuring these performance benefits translate to safer, longer-lasting brake pads for both passenger cars and commercial vehicles.